right here on the Devonport waterfront. This is the last time it's going to be here at the Masonic Tavern, so let's cruise on through and check it out.
Big up Stan and Benedict, he does a good job, man.
How is the event paving out for you so far? Oh, it's really fantastic. We've got great people, we've got great music, it's a beautiful day. What more could you ask for?
To get the most out of this event, what can you recommend?
Wear some sunscreen.
Sunscreen, great tip. We like our sunscreen.
And drink lots of water.
Lots of water.
Lots of water. Stay hydrated. Good water.
Just for the fans out there, where can we catch you? Where can we find out where you're going to be performing next?
Just check out zeisha.com. That's zeisha.com.
Zeisha.com, you heard it here on SnapStar. Check it out.
Hey, it's my last set for a while. I'm pretty much retiring from DJing after this. Just holding on to a few Highlife gigs, some really big events. So fuck yeah, really excited about tonight. Adam's parties are always the best.
Yeah.